So once the dyeing is completed, the fabrics come to the factory for cutting. Before cutting, there's a pattern master who takes the precise size of what is going to be cut into a proper patterns like these. As we can see, this is a pattern. So this is how a pattern will look at the end. So a pattern is done usually before stitching so that it can be stitched together, right? So as over here we have a pattern for a track pant. So we can see these are the legs and different parts of these, which are later going to be stitched in the production unit. So this has to be precisely done in order to get proper size of the fit that you're achieving for. So this is where all the research for fit, style and everything works under. So the pattern master really has to be a good guy, so and really talented. So this is how it's going to be done. So those patterns are put above these fabrics and then marked first, and after the marking the fabrics are cut. So they layer it one by one after each fabric so that it can be cut in bulk quantity. So let's have a look how it's done. Then layered on top of each other, so like these, so that it could be cut in bulk, right? So we have a machine for that. So once the marking and everything is done and the layering is done on top of each other, the cutting will be gone. So right now we are at the production unit, so where all the different cut pieces we saw earlier are put together into a single piece. So in this production unit there are different machineries for different processes. Once the product is manufactured and the production is done, it comes to the ironing table. So in the ironing table, it's where the wrinkles are set free and the product is set into correct alignment of how the shape is supposed to be. So let's have a closer look at how the ironing is done. So the ironing has to be precisely done at each part of the stitching and the complete fabric of the garment, right? So in order for the garment to be in a proper shape, the ironing has to be detailedly done so that the shape is set. So once the garment is completed in the production unit, it's then sent to the checking place, where the garment is thoroughly checked if there are any holes, dots, stains or anything that could have gone wrong. So during this process, not only checking is done, but also trimming, which makes the process much more easier. In trimming, the left out threads from the garment are precisely cut to get the perfect finish of the product. So once the ironing is done, then we come to the packing stage. So in packing, our packing person gently takes these garments which have been ironed and places them into the packets. So these packets prevent it from getting dirt or any water spills on top of it. So it's neatly protected and it's ready to ship.